Oh shit.
Oh fuck.
Oh, what is she?
What are they?
Oh, look, Mom is helping.
Help. They will help her, it's fine.
Yeah, Mom is helping.
Get in the water. Just get in the water.
See, Mom is helping.
Come on.
And the hippo was very cold.
That hippo must try. It's stamped.
Oh my goodness.
There's no man. No man. Shit, no man. The elephants should get in the water now. Just get in the water. Jesus, I can't watch this. The elephant's gonna be a bit.
They're all helping now, huh?
Yeah, they will have to. Just have to be careful because they may
Get in the water.
Mama says, oh, we go to the corner.
Okay, look how Mama is helping us.
And the hippo.
The hippo is behind it.
Oh, fuck.
Look how intelligent.
Where the other elephants going?
Look how intelligent elephants are, guys. The reason she's blowing the water is to make sure that if there is any crocodile there, she has to know that she's there.
Okay.
That's why she's blowing the water. Look how the trunk was literally put, the whole trunk.
Oh, she's going to put a foot.
She's going
Saying,
to put a foot.
grab my foot.
Yeah.
That means. And
She's breaking. She's trying to make it.
No,
The
she goes
hippo.
in.
No, she's trying to break so that the baby can just.
The
Yes,
sand.
step
Yeah.
out. Step out. Yeah.
oh my god.
And look at that. That elephant looks like she's.
You see,
Oh, no, Mama. By incident.
that was.
She was basically out.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's it.
got her. She got it.
Oh my word. Oh my goodness.
Unbelievable.
Oh my god. This poor little elephant.
But she learned her lesson.
But she's
The
still
small
But she
one.
knew it was a danger.
And now she's still there.